Welcome to the Sanders Kitchen. I'm Mike, and I'm glad that we're back together again cooking in the kitchen. Today's recipe is all about dessert, New Orleans style. It's going to be called Brennan'S Foster. Here's a few ingredients that make up Brennan'S Foster. Well, naturally you have one banana, and I already have mine cut in half. We have a cup of brown sugar, some vanilla, some banana liqueur, some dark rum, and we have some chopped pecans. Here's a whole bag of them, but I chopped them. These are whole. I just wanted to chop them up because I like chopped pecans. I don't want a big mouthful of pecans. And a half a stick of butter. So let's make some Brennan'S Foster. Okay, so this is how I prepare. The first thing I do is I take my vanilla, and I'll take a teaspoon measure, and I'll put the vanilla right in the middle of the sugar. Okay, that way you don't have to worry about putting it in later. It's already in the sugar. All right, next thing is we'll measure out our rum, and that's just one jigger. I'll actually tell you exactly what this amount is in the description. So that is our dark rum. I'm going to move it over a little bit because we're going to have a flame here shortly. And some banana liqueur. So now that we have this ready, we can get started. So the first thing we're going to do is add in our butter. And the skillet was really hot, so we're going to go ahead and throw everything. I had that preheated. Okay. All right, so we're melting our butter and the brown sugar together. And when this is melted together nicely, like it is right now, we'll add in our bananas. I brought this banana so I could show you. It's a little banged up, but that's actually the best ones. And so all you do is you take your sauce or your brown sugar and your butter and you baste it over the bananas. You just want to get the bananas cooked a little bit. If it's hard to turn, grab a fork. Sometimes two utensils are better than one. Okay, so you just want to get your bananas soft. And we're getting ready to make a really great sauce to go over some ice cream. I forgot to tell you that was one of the ingredients, right? And let's not forget, about now, let's put in all of our chopped pecans. Okay, the bananas are getting nice and soft. Our sauce is coming along just fine. And this is where you need to be careful. We're going to turn our fire up a little bit. And we're going to add in the banana liqueur first. Over here, our rum. And there it is, Brennan'S Foster in the making. Look how pretty. Hey, you're not going to set the kitchen on fire. It's okay. It's just a little flame. Just let it go out. Turn the fire down a little bit. And that's it. Turn the fire off. Your sauce is ready. And now it's time to serve it over some ice cream. So just get you a nice big spoon and ladle your bananas in there. Make sure you have enough bananas for everybody. You don't have to have a fancy plate like this, but you do have to have enough for your wife. So we'll just take that wonderful sauce and drizzle that on top with the pecans. You know, we don't call them pecans, we call them pecans down south. And that, my friends, is Brennan'S Foster. Well, before the ice cream melts, let's go ahead and dig in. Mmm. 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 Whoa. Look, you either make this at home or you get on the bus and drive yourself down here to New Orleans and have some Brennan'S Foster. Brennan'S Foster's is so good. An original recipe from Brennan's restaurant in New Orleans. And there's a long story behind it. Look it up on Google. You'll really enjoy reading it, but I'm not going to tell you all about it right now. But I am very glad that you guys joined us in the kitchen today. Pam and I want to say thank you from the bottom of our hearts. We really appreciate all your support and your love. All the comments are wonderful. We really, really do appreciate those. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and then subscribe if you haven't done so. That's really important to us. Share our videos with your friends and family. Hit the notification bell. That way you'll know when we come out with new videos, and we do every week. Have a great weekend. Go get you some Brennan'S Foster, and God bless you.